What I've enjoyed about the insurance industry is that it's always interesting, always evolving, never static. You get to meet with clients that have different businesses all across the spectrum, and you learn about their businesses and what their needs are, what their exposures are, what their risk tolerances are, and those are different for everybody. And the more you know about what they have and what their risk tolerances are, the better you can build a program. And what their exposures are and their needs are today can change over time because new exposures come up. For example, cyber was not a big concern 10 years ago, cyber liability. Now it's a paramount concern. Things that have kind of maybe not as scary as they used to be. There was a time when terrorism was a paramount concern again, but now can it still happen? Yes, but it's not as quite as forefront of concern as it used to be. We have coverages for it. It's easy to cover that exposure if that's what you want to do. And so, what you have to worry about changes every time. But that keeps it interesting. There are many facets to the industry as well. So if you're a people-facing person, that's your comfort level. There's positions for that. If you're a numbers person, there's actuary positions for that. If you're a legal, like to dig into a contract, and a technical person, there's positions for that. And as you move through your career, there's the ability to change and morph into different positions with carriers and agencies and brokers. So there's a lot of variety to it. And even carriers are different, and agencies are different, brokerage houses are different. So there's just lots of opportunities for a wide variety of people and talents and skill levels. I've worked in the industry for 34 years, and virtually all of that on the carrier side. And I worked in the territory as a marketing rep, production underwriter, working with a variety of agents from the big brokerage houses to the smaller mom and pops, but mostly middle market agencies and mostly throughout the state of North and South Carolina. And Sentinel was one of my clients. I actually worked with our managing partner as an underwriter 25 years ago. So I knew him well, and I knew our COO very well. Worked with her at a couple of agencies as well. And when I was looking to make a change, I looked across the agencies in my territory, the big ones and the small ones, and liked Sentinel because it was small enough to be engaged with our clients on a very personal level, not so many levels of hierarchy and a top-down approach to business, but also big enough with enough energy and vision to be creative and growing and evolving. And that helps attract, the best team members with a teamwork mentality. And I think when all's said and done, that's what best serves our clients. And that's what I like. I'm a very client-focused person, and I think we best meet the needs of our clients.